Hey everybody, this is Mark. I still haven't learned the fine things about video editing, so I'm just going to work this presentation in as we're going here. All right. So, anyways, maximizing your online business, the essential tools and techniques. Some of the different tools and techniques for building a successful online business are some are easy to find, some are more difficult, but you'll find that a lot of us are just using simple funnel builders, uh, autoresponder, leveraging social media, and I'm actually starting to learn and use some of the AI technology that's available. It's always choosing the best platform for you. Some are visual, some are text. For me, I've been using Facebook, so that's my main platform. Although I work with a blog. I also work with starting to use YouTube too. you know, Probably the biggest key to your success online is the content that you create, whether it's written, audio, or visual. So, AI, this is a whole topic in itself. One of my mentors is giving us a lot of knowledge in this regards. I'm mostly using the chat GTP for, article writing. I think I used AI for a lot of this presentation. So there's a lot of different ways you can use it. That'll be definitely some other stuff. You know, right now, again, I'm just using a basic blogger.com blog until I upgrade into WordPress and decide to go there. And, I might find I don't need to because, as long as I'm getting people to the blog and they're getting value from that, whether it's directly on my blog or in the email, then that's really my goal. It's not a primary factor for right now. Social media marketing, there's so many different things. There are tools that'll combine them so you can create content and use it a lot. So again, Facebook and YouTube are my main. Just starting to play around a little bit on Instagram. So it depends again on you and what you feel is going to be best for you. you know Email marketing, obviously it's been around for the longest out of everything. Some people like it, some don't. It's still depending on what you're doing, it's still the most effective way to get people in front of your content and give you a chance to make money. Too many people are trying to learn all the platforms at once. I mean, just in the last week, I've probably, got onto Instagram. I've got onto a couple different platforms, not as a, I'm going to use them all, but, finding what ones I can use to give me the results I want. So start with one. As you get proficient there, add stuff to it. Leads and conversion are the key. You can put all the content you want out there. If nobody ever reads it, clicks it, and purchases from you, we're just spinning our wheels. So, anyways, part of what I can do to help you is help you in generating those leads and getting conversions from them. Again, new technologies rapidly going. I've been on YouTube a lot the last few nights, just watching videos on some of the different AI tools that are out there. Some have practical use for me today, most of them don't. So again, focus on what's useful in building your business today. So in conclusion, you want to build a successful online business, it's going to require a little bit of everything. Your social media, your email, websites, YouTube, and other aspects that can help you. So anyways, thanks for taking your time. Again, this was just a quick video to learn how to put some of the presentations together with audio and visual, so it's not just my AI guy out there. I'm sure you've seen a couple of the videos that I've been putting out there where I'm using my avatar to be able to present some of the material. And the reason I like that piece of it is I could create a video really quick, just and get it out there. So anyways, thanks again, and I look forward to connecting with you, whether it's through email or social media.